They were a point of reference for me, really, to ensure that I was being effective in my role both inside and outside of the classroom. They weren't an onerous task that I had to shoehorn into my planning. They were sort of helped me set in my targets to ensure that, as I said, I was being effective in my role. So in the difficult moments where maybe things weren't going to plan for me, I could always refer back to those standards, and that will help me to reflect and progress in future. So the evidence that I'd upload was based around what I do in the classroom on a day-to-day basis. So I didn't have to adapt my teaching to upload evidence to my professional learning passport. It was very much a natural process. So for example, in my classroom every day, I'm performing feedback and differentiation, and by showing how I'd included this in my planning and how that manifested itself into the classroom, I've met a number of descriptors naturally. I'm aware that I've only met these standards at induction level, and I've still got a way to go to be an experienced, effective practitioner. So I believe these standards will help me along that journey with my target setting and challenging myself moving forward. For me, it's the unexpected moments. It could be a kind gesture, it could be an achievement, or it could be a fantastic answer to a question I've asked in lessons. But whenever it happens, it just gives me that lift, and it's such a great feeling. I have a passion for my subject, so my subject's economics, and I wanted to share that passion with the next generation. So every day I can come into a job where I can discuss my passion with like-minded individuals, and I can see those sparks within those individuals, and that really gives me a fantastic feeling.